Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Sony Xperia 10.4 has a dual SIM slot. So first let's locate the SIM card slot, and it's right here on the left side of the phone. Now we can open it with simply our nails. You can also use something else to help you with that, to not damage your nails. And now we have access to the card slot. And let's check it out. So there's SIM 1 right here. And the second is right here where the SD is as well. So this phone has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.